how to cancel Afterpay Plus membership online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into afterpay.com, or you can get into the application version of it. Either way, what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, what you're going to do from here is simply tap on the profile icon right here that you can see, and then from there you'll need to add in all of the credentials of your account. Tap on continue, then tap add in the password of your account, tap on login, and just like that you'll be logged into your account. And after doing that, you can of course open your dashboard of your Afterpay, right? So after opening the dashboard here, select the Afterpay Plus card, navigate to the Afterpay Plus card settings, then from there you can cancel the card membership. If you scroll all the way down, you'll actually be able to tap on cancel Afterpay Plus membership and then confirm your choices, and just like that you'll be able to cancel your Afterpay Plus membership online. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.